At present time, we are affording more or less 74 projects to do investment in Cuba in different sectors as sugar, mineral, tourism, construction, and others. And we hope that we can start here in Slovenia doing business and investment in Cuba. Also, different companies from Slovenia going to Cuba to do investment, and also some companies from Cuba going here to Ljubljana, Slovenia, to do different investment. We have special branches in the sugar and also in the energy, in renewable energy. Here in Europe, there are a big experience in renewable energy, and also in biomass and eolic, and we try to take in Cuba advantage of the knowledge of here in Europe, especially here in Slovenia.